In one of my other videos, I talk about the importance of getting good at something. Anything.
You see, the brain consists of billions of neurons that communicate to one another through neural pathways. When you learn new things, you basically exercise the brain and keep it healthy. By stimulating neurons in the brain, more neural pathways are formed and electrical impulses travel faster across them over time. Learning new things can really improve the quality of your life. It's fun for starters, but it will help to improve concentration and memory, reduce stress levels, you will broaden your personality, gain more confidence in social environments, and later studies have even shown that people who learn new skills are less likely to develop dementia.
From learning a new instrument, picking up a new sport, painting, poetry, a new language, anything. Now, if you're still wondering what you can get good at, I have just the thing for you. Despite any limitations you feel you might have, almost everyone can solve the Rubik's Cube. So the first step is to obviously grab yourself a Rubik's Cube, place it down, and understand that it is impossible.
No, it's not impossible. Stick around if you want to know how, but if quite frankly you don't give a shit, go and check out any of my other videos.
Okay, so the first step is to make a white cross whilst matching your side pieces with the side faces. So this green and white side piece, we're gonna drop it down to the bottom, move the green over to match the face, and flip it right up on top. So that's that piece done. So now we're going to move on to another side piece. There's a blue side piece right there. So it's on the bottom, which you want it to be. So you move it down towards the face, move that up, and the blue is done also. So the red. We don't want to move the red over to the red here because it'll jumble up the other colors. So always move it down to the bottom. That red piece moves over to meet the red face, and then you flip that up. Now keep going until you match up all the cross and each side piece. One thing that you might encounter is matching up the cross and the side pieces, but needing to flip this piece here. So in this case, your first algorithm that you're going to learn, spin the front to the right, spin the top to the left, spin the right up, and spin the top to the right. Now at this stage, when you've got the cross done and you're matching up the side pieces, you're gonna flip the entire cube upside down. Now you're gonna look for the corner pieces. So you're gonna find a white corner piece. This white corner piece has a green and orange. So it's gonna live between the green and orange. And now you're going to learn a very important algorithm. Right side up, spin the top with the right. Right side down, spin the top with the left. Left side up, spin the top with the left. Left side down, spin the top with the right. So now this piece, red, blue, fits between the red and the blue, and you're going to do that algorithm until it fits in. And what else have we got? We've got the white, orange and green right here. Place it between them two so it's home, and do the magic trick until it gets home. And you have just done the bottom layer. So what you're going to do is you're going to ignore all the yellow pieces because the yellow pieces stay on top. So say this piece here, a blue and a red. You're going to move the blue until it gets home with the blue center. So with your blue lining up here and your red needing to go into this slot, you are going to move the top piece to the left. So it's going to go the opposite direction of what you want it to go. And now with your right hand, you're going to do that magic move. And then flip the cube to hold with your left hand and do the magic move with your left. And it's just gone into that side piece there. Now you carry on, you look for a piece that isn't yellow, so an orange and green. So right here, you want it to match up with the orange side and you want the green to go to the left. So again, what you're going to do is grab that top piece and move it away from where you want it to go. Do the magic move with your left hand. Spin the cube and do the magic move with your right hand. Now if there's a side piece that you want to come out, you know how to put pieces up on top in. So just like this piece up on top here, you move it away from where you want it to go. Right move, spin into the left hand, left move. And now that piece is up on top. Once you've done both layers, you're after the yellow cross on top. Now, if you're like me and you've got just the yellow center, then do this move from anywhere, and the move goes like this. Front to the right, magic 4 moves, and then front back to the left. Now up on top, you want an L shape on the top left corner. So once you've got that, you're going to do the same move as before. So the front face to the right, magic 4 moves, and put the front face back to the left. Now you want this line to be horizontal and do the same move again. So front face to the right, magic 4 moves, and front face back to the left. And we've completed the yellow cross. So now it's a case of sorting out these side pieces. So they might connect onto all 4, and that's what you want. So you're done with that part. But in this case, what we're going to do is you're going to put these matched pieces so that one is on the right and one is straight ahead. If they're both opposite sides of each other, just do this move from anywhere. And this move goes like this. Right side forward, spin with the right, and keep your eye on these 2 pieces. You're going to put the right side back down, keep these 2 pieces going over to the left, right side back up, spin this piece all the way back and put it back down. And now you should be able to match all the sides with the faces. And now it's just a case of sorting out the corner pieces. So in this case, the red, yellow and blue doesn't fit there. The orange, blue, yellow, it does fit there. This doesn't fit there, and this doesn't fit there. So grab the piece that does fit, hold it to the front right, and do this move. So it's going to be the top spin with the right, right side up, top spin with the left, left side up, top spin with the right, right side down, top spin with the left, left side down. Now all the corner pieces are home, but obviously some of them need to be flipped. So with this last step, we're going to spin the cube upside down and now follow along. Now what you're going to do is take this piece, for example, you're going to be doing the right hand magic move until it lands home, but we're only going to spin the bottom layer until we get to another corner piece that needs to be altered, and we're going to do the right hand move again for that until that lands home. And there we are, we have done the cube. That's pretty much it. For all you geeks still watching, I salute you. If you enjoyed that video, just hit subscribe and show me some love.